What's up, everybody? My name is Eric Howe. I'm the founder of Mix Major, and this is my story. My musical journey started when I was a kid. I was 7 years old, and I was learning how to play piano, and I love piano. I was scared to death of performing at first, but then I grew to love performing, right? And in particular, I love playing music that I listen to all the time. Eventually, I learned how to make my own music by the time I was in high school. Also, while in high school, I discovered DJing. I remember seeing DJs play for the very first time. It was 2 DJs on 4 turntables, and the music was flowing, but it wasn't stopping. Everything was so smooth, and then the crowd was having a great time. It was such a great atmosphere. I was like, whoa, this is amazing, right? Then I started following these mix show DJs playing on Washington, D.C. hip-hop radio, and I was hooked. So naturally, I go to my parents and I ask them for a loan for DJ equipment. They say naturally, what are you talking about? DJ equipment? No way. But after months of pitching my parents for this loan, they eventually gave it to me. Thank you, Mom and Dad. And at age 16, that was the beginning of my DJ career. And while pursuing traditional education, right? I got an undergrad business degree at the University of Virginia. I continued to pursue my love for music and continued to DJ throughout college and beyond. And eventually in 2004, I was able to make music my full-time career. And since then, I have toured the world, performed for millions of people in 36 different countries, and made music for some really, really cool artists like Shakira, Rihanna, Linkin Park, and events like Cirque du Soleil. And even toured with this pretty big pop artist right over here. This is Madonna, for all the kids who don't know who this is. This is Madonna. Okay, she's a big deal, all right? What a blessing this life has been for me. So in 2015, in the midst of all this touring, I had a life-changing experience right here in this room. I had been telling my daughter, if you ever want to make a song, come knock on my door and we'll make a song. One day, when she was 5 years old, she knocked on my door, she brought her friend, and we made a song together. And that was my first time ever teaching music production to kids.
Let's have some clapping.
I immediately told my wife after that, I want to teach kids. And she's like college kids? I said, yeah, like kids. She's like high school kids? I said, yeah, high school kids, but like kids. And she's like, what, like, how old? I said, like Emma's age. That's my daughter. Emma's 5. She said, you want to teach 5-year-olds? I'm like, yeah, I want to teach kids music production. That was the beginning of Mix Major. And since then, I've made it my mission to help kids and teens create the music that they love. Since then, I've taught thousands of students about music production through my classes, workshops, and assemblies. And through my YouTube channel, I've even helped music teachers from all over the world bring music production education to their students. So that's my story. Thanks for watching this. And if you're a parent watching this, what's more important is what I can do for your child. It took me 11 years of playing piano before I could start creating my own music. I can have your kid creating music in about an hour. And this will be a great introduction for them into the world of electronic music production, which is music and technology. It's art and science. It's so much fun, and it's a great way for your kid to build confidence as they discover their hidden musical talents, okay? It's music, it's technology, it's fun, and it's educational. And hopefully, this will inspire your child to start their own musical journey.